Hey guys, I'm showing you this Pingliang home kitchen island with storage. It's a rolling kitchen island on wheels with a solid wood countertop, white kitchen island, cart with Rattan storage cabinet, spice rack, towel rack, and drawers. So it's pretty nice and heavy. And I just received this package. I'm showing you the unboxing. The packaging is really nice. I'm really impressed with this packing as everything is pretty much secured, and the quality of this wood board, all this material is really nice. So as you can see, everything is marked. This is the door. This is the rubber wood or engineered wood, so this is a little waterproof thing and more durable. So here is the all unboxing thing. Pretty many good frames and things. These are the side frames. This is the side one, the towel thing, and this is the countertop thing. This is the solid wood countertop. So this is the whole thing inside this box. So I will just put it. These are the tool box. See, everything is so much organized that you can see that how carefully they made this product. So these are the instructions, and these are the parts and the tools, and the instructions are straightforward. So first they are making this drawer, so let's make it. So the thing is with this, that everything is marked on the poly bag with the different numbers, so you need to be careful, but each number are so different that you can easily recognize it. So manual will be very helpful to check that. So I'm collecting all these things at once as they mentioned. So all these numbers are here now. So these are the nut bolts. So you need a screwdriver to complete these steps. So once this is made, you can put in the sides and do that rotating ones like this hooks and lock it down. This is the handle. The handle is really look nice. These metal handles. This slide in, and then this is all done. So these screws will go on the side so that it will hold well, and then this made up the whole drawer. So as you can see, I put in the handle, screws and everything, and this first step is done. So this is the second step that I'm making with this magnetic thing for the lock. This is for the countertop. So this is the solid wood countertop. You need to put this type of screws here in the countertop, the 5 screws, and then you can put it aside. So now this you put in this rollers like in the other board, the wheels. So you have to just fix in the wheels. So step by step, it's pretty easy. Like the back portion, you set it down with this the middle thing. Then this is the front portion thing, the side towel ring, the handle, and then this one, the assembly, will put it like this way. The countertop will come on the top, then you will just make it the screwed. Top of this, the doors have the knob itself, so it will be easy assembled. So the whole unit look like this. As you can see, this is the drawer with these 2 handles for the door and this magnetic click lock. So for the closing, it's pretty nice and have a good space inside so that you can put in the stuff. So it look really nice in the white color. The side one is for the towel, this one is for the spice rack or any small things. The countertop is solid wood, so you can put it anything, or you want to do that easy to clean, move, and then the stuff. So you can put in the small rack thing. You can also put the towel or anything else here. So this looks really nice and pretty, and is very sturdy and heavy. So look is really nice. So the whole unit look like this. Hopefully you will like it. And then you can also use it as a countertop in your kitchen. So for me it's really nice and very helpful to put another microwave on top of it.